How's it going, everyone? Jude here from LMR.com. Today we're going to be looking at the exhaust setup and the sounds of this 1988 Fox Body coupe that we codenamed Dragule. A lot of y'all are going to be interested in the camshaft idle sound. We'll also have a cold start, takeoffs, and the flybys. Some of the parts included on this build include a Windsor Stroker 393 cubic inch engine, a Trickflow Stage 3 cam, BBK lawn tube headers, a Jones 3-inch full bore mufflers, a custom mid-pipe, and 3-inch Flowmaster tailpipes. If you want to know more details about this Fox Body Mustang and all the mods that are on this car, make sure to check out our badass dyno video that we'll have linked down in the description below. But other than that, y'all enjoy the video.